Originally we started about 7 of us, the small industrialists from GD Metal Industrial Estate, started this industry in 1987, and this is an industry which runs on no profit, no loss basis, which is run exclusively for the benefit of the member industries. What we do is we collect the wastewaters from their factories. We take away the responsibility of wastewater treatment from small industries because they have very limited space and very limited resources. And what we are doing now, we have converted the CETP into a combined wastewater treatment plant. So the combined wastewater means we mix industrial wastewater with the sewage, the domestic sewage, treated and discharged to a common pipeline which goes to the Amberpet treatment plant. This is a very successful venture, and now it is copied by about 97 similar CETPs all over India. And not only we do effluent treatment, we also do a lot of corporate social responsibility work, especially seminars, workshops and interactive sessions. The present seminar being conducted is on activated sludge process, which was actually invented 100 years back and adopted by JETL about 25 years back, which is very good for treating the wastewater, and after treatment the water can be reused for various purposes, non-potable uses. Like we are using this water for green belt development in GD Metal Estate. We have developed a 4-acre green belt development. We cooperate with the local municipality. We do the revenue plantation, and also we are now recovering through the reverse osmosis plant, which is used for boilers and all other processes. So overall, JETL is a trendsetter, and it has shown the way for the country of treating wastewater from cluster of industries or industrial parks. This national seminar is going to attract about 14 speakers from all over India, and they are going to talk about the efficacy and efficiency of activated sludge process, and this is expected to give a lot of information to industry, NGOs, government agencies, as well as the press and media about the advantages of activated sludge process. We are expecting 300 delegates.